Hello everyone, welcome back to another Eureka Water Probes instructional video. Today we're going to talk about calibrating your pH sensor. It's pretty simple really. All you need are two of your favorite pH buffer solutions. It's got some DI water, your reference electrode electrolyte. Let's jump in. First of all, this is a good time to clean your sensors of any foreign material that could potentially affect your pH calibration. For cleaning products, we use a mild soap, like a Dawn soap, warm soapy water, soft bristle brush, works great. So now that we have your probe all cleaned up, we're going to connect it to our MantaMobile Bluetooth device. Let's go ahead and do that now. We'll connect our 9-pin end of our cable to the MantaMobile and our 6-pin to the multi-probe. Press the power button on the MantaMobile Bluetooth device. Then we'll tap the icon on our phone or tablet to start the MantaLink program. If you haven't replaced your reference electrolyte recently, now is the time to do it. This is a good time to replace electrolyte solution before you calibrate your pH sensor. So to replace our reference electrolyte, we're going to remove the calibration cup. You can use a coin or a flathead screwdriver to remove the reference cap. And we're just going to dump out the solution that's in there and replace it with new solution. Got my reference electrolyte solution here. And we want to fill this up all the way to the top till it's basically overflowing, forming a meniscus. We're going to put our cap on. You will notice electrolyte solution forcing its way out through this little white Teflon frit. Just like that. Replace the cap. Now we want to do some rinse with water. So for our rinsing process, we do 2 rinses with DI water, then 2 rinses with the solution of your choice. We're going to start with pH 10. One rinse. Second rinse. Then we'll fill the cup until it's submerged. Tap the MantaLink icon on your smartphone or tablet. Tap Connect at the top of your screen to connect to the MantaMobile device that corresponds with the serial number on your MantaMobile. Once connected, at the bottom of your screen, tap Calibrate. This will bring up a list of parameters to choose from to calibrate. Tap pH units, and then follow the prompts on your screen. With your calibration solution in the cup, type the value of that calibration solution in the text field on your screen. Wait for that reading to stabilize, and then tap OK. To calibrate your second point, we're going to do our rinsing process once again with our DI or RO water. Second rinse with water. Then 2 rinses with our 7 buffer. Then finally, fill the cup up to where all of your sensors are submerged. Wait for the reading to stabilize, and then click OK. You will then be prompted to calibrate your second point. With your second calibration solution in the cup, type the value of the solution, wait for the reading to stabilize, and then tap OK. You will then be prompted to calibrate a third point. We actually don't recommend that you do that unless otherwise required by your SOP. To bypass a third calibration point, click Done. At this point, you will see your sensor response factor shown on the screen.